OpenAI, the renowned worldwide artificial intelligence research laboratory, apparently remained nonprofit from 2015 to 2018. But the company now has an astounding worth of $29 billion. The move, which raised eyebrows and prompted controversy, constituted a seismic shift for the company, which had long been seen as a stronghold of moral and fiscally responsible AI development by those who produced it, and it coincided with rising demand for advanced AI technology. OpenAI was formed as a non-profit research center with the purpose of using artificial intelligence to help the planet. What is their strategy? Machine learning can be used to cure disease, develop self-driving vehicles, and eliminate world hunger straight from a San Francisco lab. It's no big deal. When the company was founded in 2015 by a collection of high-profile entrepreneurs and researchers, including Sam Altman, Reid Hoffman, Jessica Livingston, Elon Musk, Ia Sutskever, Peter Thiel, and Oliver Grabias, its purpose was straightforward: to advance artificial intelligence in a way that would benefit society as a whole, unconstrained by a need to generate a financial return. The company's founding was occupied by a $1 billion funding commitment from the founding people, including YC leader Paul Graham, and other corporate sponsors such as AWS and Infosys, with the goal of creating a safety net that would enable researchers to discover the full potential of AI without jeopardizing safety or ethics. As a nonprofit organization, OpenAI was constantly challenged to balance its research objectives with its budget limits. The researchers had to figure out how to stretch a dollar like a rubber band, while also developing cutting-edge AI technology that would please their investors. However, after a few years, they realized that being an open and nonprofit organization would make it more difficult to carry out this mission. As a result, in the year 2019, OpenAI reached a turning point. In an unusual move for a nonprofit, OpenAI announced the formation of OpenAI LP, a separate organization that functions as a capped profit corporation, signaling a radical shift in an underlying structure. This decision was apparently motivated by a desire to boost financial stability as well as pursue commercial uses of its technology, and several critics warned that it could jeopardize the company's commitment to ethical AI development. According to Vox investigation, the OpenAI safety team concluded that establishing all of their work open source might invite controversy rather than serve humanity's best interest. As a result, when they produced GPT-2, they kept it hidden from the public due to worries that it could be readily abused for plagiarism, bots, phony Amazon reviews, and spam. However, despite going through this change, the corporation insisted on continuing to pursue the same aims in imposing financial constraints on both investors and personnel. Despite its new goal of amassing wealth, the organization maintained its moral compass and stated that it was determined to avoid any unethical practices. And as a result, the plan was to form OpenAI LP as a capped profit company, a hybrid for a for-profit and a non-profit. Elon appears to be concerned about the legal consequences of OpenAI's shift. His previous advocacy demonstrates how deeply he is concerned about the possible hazards of artificial intelligence. Elon Musk claimed that he left OpenAI due to a conflict of interest, but the real reason was because his plan to take over the firm and run it himself was dismissed by both Sam Altman and other founders. Elon stated clearly that his goal was to develop the AI lab as a competitor to Google. With his departure, he also delayed making a significant planned donation. Musk stated in a statement that he will continue to provide financial assistance to OpenAI, but he did not follow through on his promise. So the conflict of interest was basically a power battle that Elon lost. Fortunately, a year after Elon's departure, Microsoft spent $1 billion in OpenAI, securing exclusive licensing rights to the company's GPT-3 model and becoming its only cloud provider. The investment was critical, enabling OpenAI to pursue other research endeavors. A supercomputer for training large-scale models was constructed through a combined effort between the AI lab and its new investor, Microsoft, which eventually led to the construction of ChatGPT and the image generator DALL-E. So how does OpenAI intend to make money? In September 2020, the startup released its API pricing plans for users to largely access the company's flagship AI product GPT-3, which has been generating waves since its release. OpenAI also earns a lot of money from businesses who utilize fine-tuned GPT-3 models to reach high levels of performance at a fraction of the cost. The actual goldmine for the company, however, has turned out to be their extremely popular chatbot, ChatGPT. ChatGPT also introduced a premium subscription option for OpenAI. As stated by the company, its goal is to develop AI systems that have a beneficial impact on society, and also to explore successful commercial applications of its technology. The company has not stated intention of competing, but instead seeks to collaborate with other policy and research institutions to promote security during the final stages of AGI development. Nonetheless, the competition is heating up. In the future, the company will continue to push the limits of artificial intelligence through innovative research and the creation of new technologies. Who knows what they'll think of next? Perhaps a robot capable of transporting humans to Mars, or a machine capable of predicting the end of the planet. In any case, it appears to be really interesting. What are your thoughts on it? Let us know in the comments.